Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change your TikTok region. To change your TikTok region, first you have to tap open your application. Then tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. Now tap on the menu icon on your top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Here tap on account. Now tap on account information. Your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. To change this, tap on Account Region. In this list, search for the country you prefer and then tap on it, like this. And that is how you successfully change region in TikTok. Make sure that you meet the requirements. Here, the update is not successful because it says that I should have used TikTok in United States for at least 60 days. If you have met the requirements, then you can surely change your region successfully. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.